Hello and welcome to another video on the Exsurgo Performance System. Today we're going to show you some new features that we've added to the web browser, the web app of the Exsurgo Performance System. First, go ahead and sign on in. Once you've signed in, you're going to notice this data analysis tab over here. We're going to go ahead and select that. Then we're going to pick one of our teams, Team Rebel. We're going to pick player 1 because that's our demo test person. Then you're going to come over here and select jump analysis. Once you select jump analysis, you'll be presented with two more drop downs. One of the drop downs is going to be a squat jump or a counter movement jump. We are basing the metrics and the data that come from the squat jump or the counter movement jump based on this, the power values from Sayers cross-validation of 3 jump power equations from 1999. If you've read this, you'll note that the squat jump was used to make these multi-regression equation here, noting that for counter movement jumps, there was an underreporting of power by a certain percentage. We've used that percentage based on the paper to calculate the metrics. So without further ado, we've selected a counter movement jump here. We are then going to select an effort. This effort was captured using the Exsurgo Performance System and a gFlight. You then select that and hit generate. Upon hitting generate, you will see the weight of the athlete. That athlete's weight is entered in under their athlete profile. The height of that jump in centimeters, 32.890 centimeters, is from the gFlight. Those two numbers are what are used for the Sayers equation to calculate power. And here you see it. Notice it's CMJ minus. The reason it's minus is because it's the underreporting percentage from the Sayers equation. It spits out 38.5 or 3,851 watts. We then, using the time and error formula, reverse calculated the flight time, even though we're capturing flight time from the gFlight. We have flight time here. Then we give takeoff velocity, and we also give force. We cross-checked this with concurrent jumps from force plates, and they're in the ballpark. We can show you that a little bit later. In fact, I can show that some other time. But here's what you get from the data analysis page. You get jump analysis, select a counter movement jump, then select the effort. The weight of the athlete pops up, the jump height that is used to calculate the power, and then we extrapolate flight time, takeoff velocity, and force from that. So there you go. Power from a gFlight, force from a gFlight, takeoff velocity from a gFlight, flight time, obviously the jump height. What more could you ask for? Thank you very much for watching, and we'll be back with something else.